Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Today we are diving into something that sounds mysterious, but it is way more common than you think. Hacking. So what is it, and how does it affect you in the real world? So let's break it down. Alright, so hacking is basically when someone gets in the computer system, network or device without a permission. But it is not always about doing something bad. There are good hackers who help keep things safe, like security experts, and there are bad hackers who break into the malicious reasons. But today we are focusing on a real world hacking that affects us all, whether it is steal your data or breaking into a system. So let's talk about the real world example. One of the big one was in 2017, where the hacker stole personal info of million people. Scary, right? So, and of course, we heard about the ransomware attack like a WannaCry hack, which locate people out of their file, demanding money to get them back. And hacking can happen everywhere, your computer, your phone, even your smart home device, so it is important to know how to protect yourself. Here, how you can stay safe. So use strong password. Don't make it easy for hackers. Turn on two-factor authentication whenever you can. So be careful with strange email or link. Don't click on stuff from unknown sources. So you can protect yourself. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips. Stay safe. I'll see you next time.